So, if you're using the Tailwind scheduler, this is a useful new feature that I really like. So, if you go in your pin scheduler and you click this right here for pin spacing, you can edit your default spacing. Tailwind recommends a 7-day interval. My recommendation varies based on a variety of factors, such as amount of content, number of pins going out daily, things like that. But in general, if you're managing your own Pinterest strategy, you're not putting out a ton of fresh content, fresh pins daily, then a 7-day rule is a good rule. It is not a hard and fast rule, in my opinion, just based on the data that I have over the past decade of being a Pinterest strategist. But it is a good rule that is a general rule if you're managing your own Pinterest strategy. So you can set it at 7 or you can adjust it if you want to and play around with it. But this is really cool. So if you click Save Default Spacing, you can then shift the existing pins around, your currently scheduled pins around, which is a very nice feature. Or you can apply it to pins going forward. So if you have a lot of pins that are already scheduled and you want to kind of see how this works and watch your metrics, watch your data, you can go ahead and shift your currently scheduled pins and then you just click save. So this is a really nice feature to test out.